Okay, yung ex mo, inuutangan ka. Tapos, yung bago mo, mas mayaman sa'yo, so ikaw na yung mangungutang. Ganon. So, much better than your ex. Yung mga ganong bagay, no? So, hindi natin alam. Basta, this is a moving on song. Ito, ang dami talaga lumalapit sa akin. Sabi nila na, naka-move on sila using this song. And syempre, natuwa naman ako dahil I was a part of their moving on journey. So, maraming salamat sa gumamit ng song na to. At gusto kong i-dedicate to sa mga trying to move on, sa mga naka-move on na, sa mga mag-move on pa lang, sa mga gusto pa rin ma-feel na mag-move on kahit na naka-move on na sila. Paano? Paano yan? Sige, figure out nyo na lang yan. So, ito na yan. Yan, move on na rin siya. Oh. Move on ka na.
Someday, you're gonna realize. One day, you'll see this through my eyes. But then, I won't even be there. I'll be happy somewhere. Even if I can't, I know you don't really see my worth. You think you're the last guy on earth. Well, I've got news for you. I know I'm not that strong, but it won't take long, won't take long.
Everybody sing with me.
'Cause someone's gonna love me. I wanted you to need me. Someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you someday. Say what? Right now, I know you can tell I'm down and I'm not doing well. But one day these tears, they will all dry. I won't have to cry sweet goodbye. 'Cause someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. Oh, one day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you someday. I know someone's gonna be there someday. Someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me someday. Someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you someday. Someday.
so much.
Main reason kung bakit gusto ko Super Sam, hindi dahil masaya, unang-una, masaya naman talaga ang crowd. Pero main reason talaga is the food. So, kahit kunyari, hindi mo alam yung, hindi ka familiar sa food, once na natikman mo ang food ng Super Sam, grabe, magiging favorite mo na lahat. Favorite ko is yung chicken steak. Yes, chicken steak. Kasi iba-iba, hindi ko na alam yung kung ano yung natikman ko, pero absolutely, lahat ng natikman ko, sobra kong nagustuhan. Ay! Oh, okay. Ano bang kanta? Siguro ano, I wanna be cool with you again. Cool with you. Yes.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.